Hello, everyone. Imagine making $47,000 every month from just sharing your trading techniques. So, if you have been trading online, day trading, crypto trading, commodity trading, any kind of trading, and you know your shit, then just by sharing your way of trading with other people, you can make easily $47,000 a month. Now, you must be wondering, how is that possible? What we are going to do today is we are going to go through Lewis Kelly's new prosperity school and how he started and how he built all this mechanism in place, and then how he's making $47,000 every month just with 1,100 people. So let's get started. Okay, so who is this guy, Lewis Kelly? Who is he? Where did he started? So, he was a young entrepreneur based in Dubai, and he started doing trading in educational landscape. He was around 22 years old. He leveraged his extensive experience with forex trading and e-commerce to create a thriving online community known as Prosperity School. But it wasn't like this since from the beginning. So if we go quickly onto the Prosperity School page, you can see here that he has around 1,100 people, which is barely a big community in that sense. Comparing to other social media platforms where you have hundreds and thousands of followers for influencers. But here what he did is he created so much value into this community that people started asking him to share his techniques. But it wasn't like this. He started very small. What he did in the initial phase of his life, where he was creating this educational content, and then we will go through our simple funnel, which is awareness, research, and purchase decision for anybody who would like to learn trading in the trading space. Okay. So, number one, who was he? He was a 22-year-old guy. He was living in Dubai. He engaged into e-commerce and trading, and he understood it. He got really good. He committed himself to share knowledge, whatever he was learning through his trading day-to-day activities. In this YouTube channel, as you can see right now, he has 188K subscriber. But if you look closely here, and if I click on videos and I click on oldest, he didn't started it that much long back ago, and these videos doesn't look that professional edited or anything like that. He was just sitting in front of the deck, and then he was just sharing it on his computer, right? And then you can also see that it has grown to 64K views right now, but it wasn't like that since from the beginning. So I cannot see the stats right now, but I will try to bring more stats on these videos when he started and how it become viral. But now, as you can see, his videos are more polished. He is more professional in terms of creating thumbnails, etc., etc. But that this is not the only thing he did. He didn't just started slow, and then became popular with 500,000 views on YouTube. As you can see here on his Instagram also, he started creating these videos on YouTube and then converted these videos into reels. Now you can see there are some pin reels which has got lots and lots of views, but I'm guessing when he started, it wasn't like this. Look, zero comments, and not a lot of engagement, and it's very simple and straightforward. So it's not that much content as such in terms of creating and getting more attention, right? So started like if you want to start, you have to start like this with a zero followers, zero engagement, and slowly you have to engage with your community to increase your following. And once he did increased his following, what he did is This was the foundation for what eventually become the prosperity school actually. So when he was creating content, he was showcasing his knowledge, establishing his credibility in the trading community. Kelly's early efforts in content creation not only showcase his knowledge but also establish his credibility in the trading community. And as you can see here, with these lots and lots of feedback on this community, that people are enjoying his content and they're appreciating what he is sharing. So that's basically adding value to the community in a way that you deliver 10 times more than what you're charging them, right? So some of the very good things from his community is he has a really good extensive course modules. So if I go back to his community here, Prosperity School, obviously you can see that you have to pay $47 in order to become a member, but he has over 100 detailed modules covering various aspects of forex trading, valued nearly $3,000. Okay. He do guidance from 3 active mentors, ensuring members receive the supports needed to succeed. He does live trading sessions, 16 sessions each month. So almost, every other day, providing real-time insights and exclusive strategies for members to gain access to unique trading techniques designed to enhance their profitability. So as you can see that he has so many courses for his members, but also he has lots of other sessions and content created for them so that he can add value to their lives. So central to the success of Prosperity School is its active community, and Kelly emphasizes the importance of a collaborative environment where members can interact, share experiences, and learn from each other. Now, if you go to his LinkedIn page, you will see that he doesn't even have a background image there because he didn't targeted anybody on LinkedIn. His target market was only his target ideal customer persona was only on YouTube or on Instagram. So these are the 2 platforms that he followed. And I always suggest to my viewers that if you want to create a community, if you want to create value as a creator, then just be on one platform. One platform is more than enough for you. And then once you start growing into that platform, you can move to the next one. Right. So let's move on to the next step. So we have learned that he started creating content. He started spreading the words on different social media platforms, and that's where he got all the awareness spread. Now, once people get aware of what he is offering, the second stage come to the funnel is research. So if you go to his YouTube channel, you have this Prosperity School page there, which takes you to the Prosperity School ultimately, and you can have a look there. And then once you are in this school, you can check out basically the content here, etc. So let me go back here and then copy this and then see what does it look like. So it's pretty simple, straightforward, a landing page with explanation of what you're going to learn in this school, and then what Prosperity School is about, what kind of content he will be sharing with you. There are multiple chapters in his school where he will take you through trading psychology, risk management, micro liquidity algorithm strategy, market structure, supply and demand, liquidity, SMC trading strategy. Oh my God, so much stuff. And then finally, you get private community, you get 3 active mentors, and then you get 16 live session. This is what exactly I was talking about. So yeah, this is amazing. This is how he built it. And then finally he started charging $47, which I think is a very good amount in order to get that much value. So this is how he went to the next step, which is research. So whenever his aware customers or ideal customers come to his YouTube or Instagram, he gets into his funnel, and then they research, and then ultimately they land on to the Prosperity School and make the decision of making a purchase, right? So the question arises here now, how you can do it. right? Now, if you go to school.com and then, click on it and then see if you want to create a community, it is around, $99 for a month, which is almost around 1100 something dollars a year, which is a steep cost for anybody who is starting up. So I think what you could do is, instead of creating the group on school, what you can do is you can go to artcircles.com, and then you can create your community for free. So if you go to artcircles.com here, you log in into your account. So let me quickly log in. So you can log in into your account, and then you can click on the group section here, and then you just start typing in the details of your community, etc., etc. Once you created your community, you can see your community here, where you can click on manage. But let me show you other group, which I have also created here. So there you go. It's very simple. The first index page of your community is where your details are, and they're launching the analytics part for the overview page, which is kind of a dashboard. All of your members are listed here. Then if you make it private, you can have a joining request people there, and then the events inside your community, if you want to post discussions, if you want to add or delete some discussions which your community members have created. Pictures, you can upload pictures, resources for your community, and then you can obviously send emails to your community members from here, obviously added in settings. And then if you upgrade to next level, you can also start charging to your community also. But still, the $1,000 a year, this is almost around 70% cheaper than school.com. So, but I would say that for starting purposes, you can always create it here. And then if you gain a lot of members into your community, then you can always move to school later on at some point. Or if you want to just keep it on the art circle, then it's not a problem also. So ultimately, the secret of going into your financial freedom and then making this much money online is to create value, which is through the content in this digital world, and then potentially start funneling in your aware customers into your funnel, and then start charging to them. Okay. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and give me a shout out in the comments if you have any other questions, and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thank you. Cheers.